Hey guys, thanks for coming back to BlakeWrTv. Today we have a lot of things guys to show you. We also have a special guest today that we're going to be doing some steamed fish, some steamed snapper, and we have Chef Quincy's over here. Welcome to the show, sir. How you feeling today?
Good.
Alright, we have Chef Quincy in the house. He's going to be showing us some authentic seasoning style for his snapper. He has his own style, he has his own design, his own set of seasoning, and he's going to be taking you to the journey of showing you how he does his steamed snapper using water crackers. So now, Mr. Blake, come to the show, sir. Go ahead.
So today, we're gonna be some steamed fish today. Over here, all my season. Got onion right here. Got sweet pepper right here, otherwise called bell pepper. Over here, I got my seasoning, my all-purpose. Right here, I got my garlic. I got my cock soup right here. Also, I got a coconut milk right here. And so, I'm gonna take you on a journey right now. So, I'm about to season up my fish. So, check me out in the kitchen.
Mr. Blake already gave his introduction. Chef Quincy is in the house with me today, and he already tell you guys what he's gonna be doing. He have some very nice snapper, gonna be fresh, tasty, yummy, delicious food he's gonna be cooking for us today. In the meantime, I'm gonna step out the kitchen a little bit, get a little bit of my Bacardi mango, have myself a little drink, and Mr. Quincy Blake gonna be showing you what's going on in his kitchen today. So come on and roll with him.
Okay. So, season up my fish right here. Some all-purpose. Garlic right here. That's good. Okay, we have a little miss a dash right here. The reason why I cut the fish here, because I want the season to get down in the fish. Okay, so tastes very good. Alright. Right here. Okay, I got a little fish seasoning right here, Caribbean seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the fish. Okay. So right there, looking good. Okay, so that's finished right there. So okay, now my frying pot is on. So I'm gonna go and put my oil in the pot. Okay. Just a little, not too much.
Okay, so Chef Blake, how you doing? How's everything going? I see you got your season out. I saw you got your pot getting hot.
Everything going good.
I see the oil in there. What you get ready to do now? The oil, it seems like it's hot. It's heating up.
So I'm gonna go ahead, get my fish in the pot.
Your fish is already seasoned up. They're looking delicious.
Yeah.
Look at these fish, guys. These fish are looking delicious, yummy. Already, I kind of see the season. Did you use any pimento on this?
No,
No pimento bean on this?
No.
Okay, so pimento is a spice I normally use, but he has his own style, his own cooking, authentic Jamaican style. So I'm gonna let Chef Blake does his thing and he's gonna show you what's going on. He got his oil, it's already been hot. Today also, guys, I wanna do a little bit of jerk pork. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We have a little bit of jerk pork going on with the snapper. So we're gonna have some snapper. Chef Quincy gonna do the snapper, and later on I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the jerk pork. So you guys gonna get both of them on this video. Jerk pork alongside red snapper fish.
Go ahead and cut up my vegetable.
Yes, man, we're still in the kitchen cooking. So we have Chef Quincy's over here doing the snapper, and in the meantime I'm over here and we have the jerk pork getting seasoned up. We put a little bit of lemon pepper in there, and we put a little bit of ginger in it. You know, when you're cooking the pork, you need to put a little bit of ginger in it to give it some extra flavor. This is very good for you guys when you put a little bit of ginger on your pork. It's going to be some very tasty, delicious Jamaican jerk pork using a little bit of ginger on it. I know you guys may not see ginger on jerk pork before, but this give it a nice flavor. You know, ginger is our original Jamaican authentic spice. Yes, we're still in the kitchen like I said before, and we are doing some jerk pork along with the snapper. I'm going to go through and show you guys a little bit about the seasoning. This I'm using garlic powder. I already put a little bit of turmeric on here. You know, turmeric is good for you. I pretty much cook everything with turmeric because turmeric is so good. You can look it up online. All the benefit for turmeric. This is garlic powder. Put a little bit of garlic powder on here. And also we have our traditional Caribbean traditional jerk seasoning. If you're making jerk, you need this seasoning right here. This has all the ingredients you need for your season. It's a complete season. Very comprehensive for your jerk chicken or your jerk pork or whatever you're jerking. Jamaican jerk season. Alright, we are going to go through now and put a little bit of this on it. Just like that. It's going to be some nice jerk pork. And we are going to spice it up. It's smelling really good at this time. And this right here, this is a marinating jerk. This is a liquid jerk. This jerk pretty much has all the ingredients we have in the powder jerk, but this is the liquid form. It's good for jerking chicken, jerking pork, making ribs, whatever you are making and you want to jerk it. This right here is the way to go. It's a very authentic Jamaican grace jerk marinating season. I'm going to go through and put a little bit on my jerk pork over here to give it that nice smell, tasty, delicious Jamaican jerk pork, just like that. Want to make it very nice and tasty. You want to put a good amount on it, and you just stir it up to get all of the herbs and spice marinating into the pork. It's going to be tasty. You can smell all the herbs. I put some pimento on it earlier, and if you guys don't know what the pimento is, this is the pimento. This is the Jamaican pimento bean. You can use this on all your meat. When I say all your meat, I mean all you eat comprehensively. All you have to do is to grind the bean up. You can get a grinder to grind the bean, or you can do it like I do. I do it the yardman style. I just put it on the counter and beat it, and then I powder it and put it on my meat. Whatever works for you, do that. Yes, the jerk pork is coming on very nicely. As you can see, it is taking on that dark color that we know Jamaica pork for. Taking on that nice dark flavors.
Here's my butter, 1 spoon. Okay. And my butter melt out. Now I'm gonna go add my vegetable. Good. So my snapper is finished right here. So I take my snapper out of the pot. You just want to fry for like 7 minutes, and then on each side, then I take it out. Okay. So I got my vegetable. Got 1 cup of water. So I got 2/3 water right here. So I'm gonna add this in my mixed vegetable. Okay, right now I'm gonna add my coconut. Got right here 1 cup of coconut milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. Looking good, right? So I'm gonna add this right in. Okay, so I'm gonna go and add my cock soup. Nice flavor, make it taste very good. You know, Jamaican thing. You know, we always use this in Jamaica when we're cooking soup or we're doing vegetable cooking. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my cock soup.
Alright guys, so we're still in the kitchen. Chef Quincy is still cooking his snapper fish for you guys, and in the meantime I want to show you a nice carrot cake that I baked last night. It's looking good. I didn't get the opportunity, guys, to show you when I was making all the ingredients. It is delicious. As you can see, this is what the result looked like. This is a carrot cake, homemade carrot cake. Very nice, tasty treat. So when you're eating and you want to add a little bit of treat to your food, this is where you go. A nice carrot cake. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what our jerk pork look like. This is our jerk pork. We go ahead and put in all the jerk season, all the herbs and spice. This thing is the bomb right now. It's tasty, smelling good. As you can tell, this thing gonna be delicious. All the herb and spices already been blended. It's been marinating for some time. We've been sitting down for about 20 minutes now. It's been very marinating, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in our tray here to do a little bit of jerk pork. So we're gonna go ahead and line it up just like this. And this is what it looked like. Nice Jamaican style jerk pork.
Chef Blake, I'm going with over here. Check out my Okay, now we're gonna add my fish. Up there. Right there. Looking good, smelling good. Here. Put a little juice on top. Okay. Also my okra, my carrot, my sweet potato.
Okay, Chef Quincy, I see you've been cooking the snapper fish for some time now, and do you mind if I try some? Because the smell is just irresistible.
Sure.
I've been smelling it for a while, and I'm telling you, the thing smells so good, and I want to go and try it. So can I get your permission to try it, sir?
Sure, go ahead.
All right, let me tell you guys how this tastes. Take a look at it. Oh man, that thing looks so delicious. It is steaming down in, what do you put in there again? You put some coconut milk, right?
Yeah, coconut milk.
You put coconut milk in there. You put, I saw some okra right here.
Okra,
You got carrot on it.
Onion
On it.
Sweet.
You got all the nice flavors, herbs and spice in here. This is what we call steamed yardman snapper. Jamaican style, steamed snapper. And I'm going to go ahead and taste a little bit of the juice. The coconut milk in it. Yes, this tastes good. The coconut milk is tasting good on this fish. Let me see what's going on over here. Do you mind if I take a piece of your fish, sir?
Sure.
Okay, I'm just gonna try a little bit of fish out of this. Cause this thing look too good to not try. Oh my gosh. Sir,
It's good.
this is a real chef. Real chef. He got the fish tasting so delicious. Guys, this is the bomb. This fish tastes so good. I'm gonna go ahead and make it finish steam down. It's almost done at this time, but we got a lot. We got some more things to put in there. So at the end, we're gonna make Chef Quincy take back over. And before we do that, we're gonna show you guys what the jerk pork look like. We're gonna go ahead and do this jerk, and after we jerk it, you're gonna see it after we jerk it.
Yum.
Okay guys, now we're gonna add my crackers to the steamed fish. Okay. So I'm gonna just go right here. Check it out. Here. It's right there. Just like that. Okay. Looking delicious. So I'm just gonna go and cover it up. Okay. Right there.
Okay guys, we are still in the kitchen with Chef Quincy, and he have his steamed fish finished right now. He done cook. Everything is good. He have the water crackers, as you can see over here. He has the water crackers on the snapper. This is the way he does it. He has the water crackers on there. He has all the vegetable and everything is all cooked down very nice and looking delicious. And over here we got the earlier we talked about the jerk pork. This is what the jerk pork look like right here. It's very delicious, very cooked down, ready to go, ready to eat. Time for us to go ahead and make a good nice plate so we can taste all the hard work that we put into this. We just in the kitchen chilling right now because we are getting ready to eat. And before we finish eat, we're gonna show you guys what everything looks like once we put everything in the plate. Thank you for watching, and keep watching to the end of the video, guys, because I have a lot of little bonus to give you at the end of the video. Okay guys, it has been a long journey. As you see earlier, Chef Quincy started with telling you guys about the steamed snapper with the water crackers, and you can see he's finished over here. The water crackers and the steamed snapper with the okra and the carrot, all looking good. Cooking down with a little bit of cock soup, Maggi flavor to give it that texture and delicious taste. Over here on the board, we did some jerk pork with the Jamaica jerk season. We used some grace jerk on it and some nice spice, pimento, and all the good herbs in there. It is very delicious. As you can see, Chef Blake already finished a plate. He made me a plate from his cooking process, and I made him a plate from my cooking process. This is where we go. We have the rice and bean, as you can see over here, the rice and bean along with the broccoli, the carrot, and the good, delicious jerk pork right here. So he's gonna go ahead and test my plate to see how it tastes. It's delicious, guys. I'm telling you, it's very delicious, yummy food over here. So he's gonna go ahead and try mine, and I'm gonna test his, and we're gonna let you know what it tastes like. So let's go ahead and eat some food. So how you feeling over there, sir?
Looking good.
All right, I'm checking out the snapper. I've been anticipating the snapper all day. So let's try it. Tastes good.
Delicious.
Yeah, you nailed this one, bro.
Delicious.
This one's good.
Real good.
Very tasty, very yummy.
You know,
I can
jerk season.
Tastes good over there.
Everything perfect. Real good.
Yes, guys. As we said, we've been in the kitchen all day cooking for you guys. So here we are with some nice snapper and some jerk pork. As you can see for yourself, it's looking good in BlakeWrTv. So if you like the video, guys, if you find the video very informative and you know the food is good, more video will be coming, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep in tune for more video coming up just like this.